In this presentation, we are going to see about pure culture techniques. A culture containing only one type of microorganism is called pure culture. Pure culture is used to study the morphological and physiological characters of microorganisms. A pure culture can be obtained by several methods, but in this presentation, we are going to see about only two methods. That is, first one is streak plate method and the second one is serial dilution method. Streak plate technique is used for the isolation of pure culture from the mixed population of microorganisms. This method is done to dilute the sample or inoculum by streaking it across the agar plate. Let us see the procedure for streak plate method. A concentrated suspension of bacterial cells are picked up first. A sterilized Petri plate containing the agar medium is kept ready for inoculation. A streaking needle or inoculation loop is taken and heated to redness. It is cooled by passing the needle on the inner side of the agar plate. The agar plate is picked up in the left hand and with the help of the thumb finger, the lid is partially open and held near the. With the help of the needle or loop, a loop full of bacterial cells are removed. It is streaked back and forth from the edge to edge in parallel lines, starting from the edge away from the experimenter and moving toward. These operations are done very near to the flame. When 1/4 of the plate is streaked, the needle is again flamed and the plate is rotated to 45 degrees. This procedure has to be repeated till all the 4 sides of the Petri plate was streaked. This picture shows the steps involved in the streak plate method. This is the 4-way streak and we can also do a zigzag streak and also 2-way streak. The streaked plates are incubated at 30 degrees Celsius for 24 hours in an incubator. After 24 hours, properly streaked plates show the isolated colonies of pure culture along the streaked parts, which was shown in this picture. Let us move on to the second pure isolation technique, that is serial dilution technique. This method is used for estimating the cell number in a culture of bacteria. We can use soil or water as sample for the isolation of bacteria in this method. Now we can see the procedure of serial dilution technique. The sample or culture is taken in a test tube. If we are taking soil as a sample, we have to weigh 1 gram of soil and mix it with the 10 ml of the distilled water. If we are taking water as a sample, we have to take 1 ml of the sample and mix it with a 9 ml of sterile water. Apart from this, 6 test tubes, each with 9 ml of the sterile diluents. Either it can be a sterile distilled water or 0.9% saline are taken. A sterile pipette is taken and 1 ml of properly mixed sample is drawn into the pipette. The sample is then added to the first test tube and make the volume to 10 ml. This provides the initial dilution of 10 to the power minus 1. And from this first test tube, that is from 10 to the power minus 1, 1 ml of the sample is then taken and transferred to the 10 to the power minus 2 test tube. Each test tube has to be mixed properly by either by tapping it or by vortexing it. As the 6 test tubes are used, the final dilution of the bacterial cell will be 10 to the power minus 6. After the samples were serially diluted from 10 to the power minus 1 to 10 to the power minus 6 test tubes, 100 microliter of diluted sample from the first tube was directly pipetted out into a nutrient agar Petri plate. This step has to be repeated for each tube till it reaches the 10th tube and respectively the 10th Petri plate. And we have to number the Petri plates from 10 to the power minus 1 to 10 to the power minus 6. By a sterile spreading L rod, the sample in the Petri plate was equally distributed. And these plates have to be incubated at 37 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. After 24 hours of incubation, the plate showing 20 to 200 colonies are selected for the final count of the bacteria. So these two techniques, that is streak plate technique and serial dilution techniques, were widely used in microbiology laboratories for the isolation of pure culture of bacteria. Thank you.